We're getting ready for New Year's Eve. For our final week hosting Crafternoons with Testors, we have a double fun special New Year's project for you. First, you get to have a blast with your family and friends making these gorgeous DIY New Year's Eve props. We've got photo props, champagne glasses, and absolutely adorable party hats. Then you get to bring in the new year together with all your fabulous new creations. Tip 1. Save your printer ink and have fun painting with our printable photo prop templates. Tip 2. You can use sturdy poster paper, cardstock, or foam core to make your photo props. Tip 3. To add more color and flair to your photo props, cut out extra pieces such as ribbons and bows and paint separately. Tip 4. Use fine sandpaper to smooth out any rough cutting edges on your foam core or poster paper cutouts. Tip 5. Strengthen weak areas of your props with masking tape. It won't show since you'll be painting your props. Tip 6. Use stencils, foam brushes, and washi tape to add patterns to your photo props. You can also use Testor's dimensional paint to add texture. Tip 7. After painting your props with acrylic paint, add extra shimmer and shine with a quick spray of Testor's Create Effects glitter paint. Tip 1. For a frosted glittery look, apply Testor's Create Effects or Rust-Oleum glitter paint directly to glass. For a metallic look, use Rust-Oleum Imagine in metallic for a bright, reflective finish. For a solid glittery look, apply a coat of Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint, and then, after it's dry, apply a coat of Testor's Create Effects glitter paint or Rust-Oleum glitter paint. Tip 2. To seal glitter paint, apply a coat of Testor's Create Effects glitter sealer. Tip 3. Cover the bottom of the glass you are painting with masking tape and use paper towels or tissue to protect the inside. Tip 4. For best results, spray a light coat of paint and keep 10 to 12 inches away when spraying. After the first coat is dried for at least 20 minutes, repeat with a second coat if desired. Tip 5. Use masking tape to create patterns on the glasses. Allow to dry before removing the masking tape. Tip 6. If you need to make any touch-ups, spray some extra paint onto tinfoil and use a paintbrush to fix small areas. Tip 1. Easily create your own party hat template by using a string to draw 3/8 of a circle. Cut out your first hat and use as a template for additional hats, as well as for any fabric overlays you plan on using. Tip 2. Use acrylic paints, foam brushes, stencils, and washi tape to add patterns and designs to your hats. To add extra shimmer, spray Testor's Create Effects glitter paint. Tip 3. To smoothly and easily add fabric to your hat, use Testor's Craft Clear Spray Adhesive. The spray adhesive is perfect for adding delicate or glittery fabrics. For fabrics that drop glitter, add further protection by also applying Testor's Craft Glitter Sealer. Tip 4. Once your hat is formed, use a large needle to thread through elastic cord to create an elastic strap for your hat, not the cord on the insides of the hat. Tip 5. Use a tinsel or feather garland to decorate the top and the rim of your hat. Cut a 4 to 6 inch piece of garland and thread through the opening. Twist around the top to create a ball. Starting at the back of your hat, hot glue the garland around the rim of your hat. Tip 6. Print and cut out our Happy New Year printable. Glue to a piece of cardstock or poster paper and then hot glue to the front of your party hat. Decorate as you wish. Happy New